Apple is helping developers build smarter, more powerful apps with a suite of new intelligence frameworks and advanced tools.
Today, the company announced a major update to its development ecosystem, offering developers better ways to integrate AI, improve performance, and create apps that are more intuitive and efficient. These new tools are part of Apple's ongoing effort to make app development more accessible and to support the next wave of innovation in the Apple ecosystem. For developers, this means more powerful tools to create apps that can understand and adapt to users in ways that were previously unimaginable. At the heart of this update are new intelligence frameworks designed to make it easier for developers to build apps that can think, learn, and respond. These frameworks are built on top of Apple's existing machine learning capabilities, but they've been expanded and refined to offer more flexibility and better performance. Developers can now use these tools to create apps that can understand natural language, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on data. This means that apps can become more personalized, more efficient, and more responsive to user needs. One of the key features of this update is the introduction of new tools that allow developers to build and train machine learning models more easily. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't experts in machine learning. By simplifying the process of building and deploying models, Apple is making it possible for more developers to create intelligent apps without needing to be deep experts in the field. This is a significant step forward, as it lowers the barrier to entry for AI development and encourages more innovation in the app ecosystem. In addition to the new intelligence frameworks, Apple has also introduced a range of advanced tools that are designed to help developers create better apps. These tools are part of the Xcode suite, which has been updated with new features that make the development process more efficient and powerful. For example, developers can now use enhanced code completion and intelligent suggestions to speed up their workflow. These features are based on Apple's deep understanding of how developers work and how they can be supported with the right tools. Another important update is the expansion of productivity features in Xcode. These features are designed to help developers manage their projects more effectively and to streamline the development process. For example, developers can now use new tools to manage dependencies, track changes, and collaborate more efficiently with their teams. These improvements are part of Apple's commitment to making development more productive and more enjoyable. Apple has also made improvements to the underlying platform that powers these new tools. These improvements are designed to make apps run faster, more smoothly, and with better performance. For example, Apple has optimized the way apps access system resources, which means that apps can run more efficiently and with less impact on the device's battery life. These changes are particularly important for developers who are working on apps that need to perform complex tasks or handle large amounts of data. One of the most exciting aspects of these updates is the way they integrate with Apple's broader ecosystem of devices and services. By making it easier for developers to build apps that can work across multiple devices, Apple is helping to create a more seamless and connected user experience. For example, developers can now create apps that can sync data across devices, work with Apple Watch, and integrate with other Apple services. This means that users can enjoy a more unified experience across their Apple devices, and developers can create apps that are more versatile and more powerful. These new tools and frameworks are also part of Apple's long-term vision for the future of app development. By investing in intelligence capabilities and productivity tools, Apple is positioning itself as a leader in the development of next-generation apps. These updates are not just about making development easier, they're about enabling new possibilities for what apps can do. Whether it's creating apps that can understand and respond to users in real time, or apps that can learn from user behavior and adapt over time, these tools are opening up new frontiers for innovation. For developers, these updates mean more opportunities to create apps that are smarter, more efficient, and more user-friendly. They also mean that Apple is continuing to support its developer community with the tools and resources they need to succeed. By providing better tools, Apple is helping developers bring their ideas to life more easily and more effectively. This is an important step in the evolution of the app ecosystem and in the broader world of technology. In the coming months and years, we can expect to see more apps that leverage these new intelligence frameworks and advanced tools. These apps will not only be more powerful, but also more intuitive, making them easier for users to interact with and more effective in meeting their needs. Apple's commitment to innovation and support for its developers is helping to shape the future of app development and the technology that surrounds it. As developers continue to explore the possibilities of these new tools, we can look forward to a future where apps are more intelligent, more efficient, and more integrated with the devices and services we use every day. These updates are not just a step forward for Apple, they're a step forward for the entire app ecosystem and for the people who use these apps. With these new tools, Apple is helping to pave the way for a new era of innovation and possibility.